Hey guys, how you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my video channel. Guys, today I have a demonstration of Dermaroller, how to use on your body specifically for your stretch marks. So if you're this person that you have a stretch marks and you want to know how to get rid of your stretch marks, so please keep on watching. Okay guys, now first step, what you should be doing, you should exfoliate your skin. And yes, I have this for exfoliating my skin. This is dry brushing, actually the brush that you can either scratch your back, blah blah blah, and you can take it off over here, trying to, you know. This is amazing from Amazon, just not really expensive, a couple of bucks. Basically what the dry brushing does, it removes that skin layer from your skin and kind of rejuvenates and improves blood circulation and everything, which is actually the first step before starting doing dermarolling. So this is one of my favorite products to use for exfoliating the skin, and you can do this without even dermarolling and everything. Really good tool to prepare your skin. For example, how do? I dry brush yesterday, and today I'm going to use Dermaroller on my skin. Another method, maybe you don't like this, you don't have time or something like that, it's like a body scrub. I have this from First Botany Arabica coffee scrub. This is for stretch marks, spider veins, wrinkle detox, anti-cellulite. Is really good because it has coffee, it's caffeine. So you know, caffeine, guys, makes your blood circulation flow faster, which is good because skin gets more oxygen, more good nutrients with the blood. It's really amazing if you have stretch marks and cellulite. This been using, I believe this is like third jar already that I'm using, and I'm already done. And smells, by the way, if you love coffee, I don't drink coffee, but I love coffee smell. Is, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And now the next day, which is today, how I'm doing dermarolling. Basically, if you guys not familiar with me and with my channel, I am Jean Amber. I'm the owner of Jean Amber Beauty dermarolling brand. I have my own dermaroller here. I have 5 sizes. Today I'm gonna use different sizes just to show you in how to use in different parts of your body dermarolling, because we have stretch marks everywhere, on the chest, on the belly, on the legs. I'm gonna show everything for all of you guys. This video is going to be for beginners. I'm going to do one more video where I'm going to show you how to do like advanced techniques and everything that you've been rolling, for example, for half year already. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is going to be really long process. 2-3 years might be, depends individually how long you have stretch marks. If it's fresher, it's going to take shorter. If it's deeper and longer, like if you got stretch marks 5 or 10 years ago, it's going to take longer. It can take up to 3 years. So if you're ready, hands down, you're like, okay, I will start, I'm ready to do, I'm ready to treat my body. This is really cheap way and effective way, proved in studies. I have a dermaneedling book from Dr. Lance Satterfield. He is the man that started dermarolling, microneedling, and his studies been proven that dermarolling actually helps with stretch marks, which is amazing. So I'm gonna start with disinfecting. My rollers are all disinfected. Now I have 4 different sizes. I have 1.5 millimeter dermaroller, I have 1 millimeter dermaroller, and then I have 0.75 and 0.5. So I have alcohol. I'm applying on cotton alcohol to disinfect that place where I'm going to use dermaroller, because you want to have your spots where you're going to work on your skin disinfected because you don't get infection. Now guys, you're not going to see my head anymore. I'm just going up and I will show you my chest. Many of my clients been asking, what size do you use for the chest? How do I use it? How often I use it and stuff like this. Always beginners start with the lowest size possible. Our chest, I'm gonna start from here and go down. Our chest is really sensitive skin. I'm going to roll on the chest, and I'm gonna try, of course guys, I cannot show you my boobies and everything. I'm gonna try to show as much as possible on my chest over here. This now I'm gonna tell you guys that I don't have a stretch marks on my body. I never did. I'm lucky. That doesn't mean that I cannot demonstrate for you guys. I did on Instagram video how to use the dermaroller on the body, and some people say, well, so what, she doesn't have stretch marks. Yeah, I don't have stretch marks, but I know how to do it. I have my brand and I know how to dermaroll skin for the stretch marks. So don't judge me that I don't have stretch marks. I know what I'm doing. So I'm taking this cotton and just disinfecting that place where I'm going to use dermaroller, just wiping really carefully over here. Disinfecting over here too, because sometimes we have a stretch marks in this like kind of armpit place over here. So I'm disinfecting. So for starters, you need to get small size because you don't know how you're going to react. Always start with a small size. I'm starting my chest with 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller, and the technique is basically the same like you will do on the face. If you have done on the face, you probably know. You will go diagonally 5 times, vertically, and then do excess. Then go next to, then again, wherever you have a stretch marks, you go on these places. Do not be afraid. And then I go like that 5 times each direction. Now when I did like that, I will try to kind of do excess in different direction. It's getting red, which is completely normal. All right. Now if you don't feel like anything, you can go over one more time. Some people are very, very sensitive, so if your skin is really sensitive, one time is really enough just to start, you know, to see how your skin is going to react. Do not overdo with your skin. Now with 0.5, you can do it once a week, which is completely fine. But always remember you should increase your size. After using, for example, 0.5 on your chest for a half year, you can increase for 0.75. Alright, so I did twice on the same area, 5 times each direction. And see guys, now it's red already. Now how you do over here, I know many women have stretch marks over here. So you basically do the same way. Vertically, diagonally, and then excess. I don't have it, but I want to show you guys how to do it. Okay, this is getting like naked. Jin is getting naked. It's weird, but guys, I have to show you how to do it. Go one more time. This place actually has a lot of fat, so it's not so much sensitive. I forgot to mention, guys, one thing. If you're really sensitive and your pain threshold is not so well, you can use numbing cream before doing everything. Apply numbing cream. This is my favorite numbing cream, a Banel Numb 520 from Amazon. I believe it's like $18. It lasts a really long time. It numbs your skin really well. Apply for half an hour, remove it, then disinfect with the alcohol, and then roll it again. Now my chest is fine, everything is good. I'm just letting it sit like this. Now with the belly is the same thing. You apply numbing cream if you want. If you're okay with the pain, you don't have to apply numbing cream. Disinfect, like the place where I'm going to be using Dermaroller, this side, disinfecting really well. Imagine that I have a stretch marks. I know I don't have it, but imagine that I do have. Disinfect really well. By the way, you always have to wait until alcohol going to dry. Now I have 2 sizes, guys. I have 0.75, which is this one, and 1.0 millimeter Dermaroller. For the first time, if you never use 0.75, you can use this size Dermaroller every 3 weeks. This is enough for starting. Oh, I'm sorry, my bra is showing. See how red this is? You guys see? Alright, let's start Dermarolling. This is 0.75. Let's see if it's really painful to me. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to me it's like really ticklish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me try with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel it a little bit more, but not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, it's ticklish. I can handle this one, but it's ticklish. So guys, you can get 1 millimeter Dermaroller. You don't have to spend money additional on this size. If you're okay with the pain, I'm okay with the pain. If you're not okay with the pain, get 0.75. And now let's do excess, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, this place is really ticklish to me. Hi! All right, it's a little bit red. You can go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now people say if you don't bleed, that's not good. That's completely BS. That's not normal. I don't know why people do until they bleed. There are studies done that you don't have to bleed in order to have results. You just have to have a right roller. I will always recommend for the body real individual needle rollers because they are much more effective than disc rollers. Mine is only real individual needle rollers. Okay, going one more time. X. You always want to lift. You don't want to drag like this. You want to lift, 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 and lift again, and lift, lift. Forgot here. Again, lift, lift, lift. I kind of see a little blood coming out. Not much. Bigger the size, more chances you have that blood is going to come out. All right, 2 times over one place you see is red. It's cool, it's good. Okay, now guys, I want to show you how I use for my legs. Again, alcohol on your legs, and for example, I will be rolling that spot over here, waiting until it's going to be dry. My roller is already disinfected. I always pour above my sink, and then I'm waiting until it's going to be dry. You have to wait until your roller is going to be completely dry. Do not roll if you have still wet Dermaroller. Now, okay, it's dry, and I'm doing the same way again. Isn't that sexy, guys? All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So going now diagonally, vertically, diagonal, and then X's again. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now X's. With 1.5, it's getting painful, but I can handle. People ask how much pressure I should apply. I do not press too much. I do not just lift and like do it. Kind of slight, like medium pressure. Not much, not little. Over here, diagonally, it's painful, but I can handle. Okay, going that way. I know, guys, you're going to see. Ooh, it's getting really painful. Anybody else like pain like me? I don't know. Is it just me? It's not normal? I'm not normal? Okay. And now, guys, what I'm going to do for my rest of the body that I was dermarolling, I apply my Gin Amber, my own vitamin C serum, because vitamin C serum boosts collagen production. Dermaroller boosts collagen production really, really well, but with vitamin C serum it's even better. So, like this, few pumps, water formula absorbs really, really deeply into the skin. I'm waiting until this is going to dry. I'm gonna go to my belly where, ooh, look at this, guys, my belly, ooh. I'm applying serum on my belly too. Is my serum done already? Yeah, is my serum done already? Okay, so applying here on my belly. I hope some perverts are not watching this video. Okay, applying vitamin C serum over here and over here. What do I see left? See how just my chest is red? Ooh. Okay, now I'm waiting a little bit. This is really nice. Wow. So guys, after serum, actually after this serum, I already applied this cream on my chest. I don't want to show my boobies, so I just don't show how I apply on my chest. But this is from Cherokee Cell Energy Cream, which is regenerating, anti-aging, firming cream, which I really, really love. Another cheaper option for the body is Nia Gold. Over here, this firming oil is really, really nice, natural. Both of these have natural ingredients. Love it. Both of them are nice, but I prefer this cream. So, and taking a little bit of this cream. This cream is really thick. You don't need much. So a little bit on my belly. The place where I dermaroll is really, really sensitive. gentle massaging, making sure I don't see sun. It's very nice, rich moisturizer. And basically, guys, that's it. After that care, always SPF at all times. You guys can see blood coming out a little bit. I don't know if you're going to see, but so now, guys, if you're going to have any questions about dermarolling your stretch marks, please let me know down in the comments below. Aftercare is really easy. Serum, you don't have to use serum. You completely don't have to use anything after dermarolling your stretch marks. Vitamin C serum is really good to use after, because it boosts collagen production, which is going to help restore all the damaged skin that you have. Stretch marks is basically huge scar, the damaged skin. Then I'm using Cherry Cell Energy Cream. It's really beautiful. And this body oil, firming body oil, is really nice, natural ingredients, aloe vera plant and stuff like this. So these are after SPF, always, at all times, all the time, guys. Body, face, everything. More exposure to the sun, less chances you have that you're going to heal, and you might gonna get hyperpigmentation, and you don't wanna get anything worse that you already have. That's it, guys, for now. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.